Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Being Mommy and More. So for today's vlog, Gav will be unboxing Dyson V11 animal vacuum cleaner, and he will show you the parts and how to assemble it. Thank you for watching! That's for the wall.
So the overall impression is obviously the Dyson V11 Animal has quite a lot of suction. Obviously I just did a little bit on this cooler carpet. I could feel it pulling quite strongly against the carpet even on normal setting. It has a boost setting and a low economy setting to save on the battery. So it has quite a good strong suction, as Dyson are quite renowned for. The attachment it comes with, obviously there's quite a lot of little tools and truss that you can have to get into those little nooks and crannies. Again, quite useful. This little storage area, obviously, and it's clip to go on here with the tools that you can wander around with. Obviously, quite a lot bits that come with it. Obviously, you can empty your filter at the bottom, empty your obviously the dirt via the bottom and clean it out, or you can empty your filter by twisting off the top. It has a exchangeable battery pack, as we saw at the start, obviously, which you can charge up. Originally when we bought this one, we was interested because obviously it said we thought it came with 2 battery packs. Obviously when we've unboxed it only actually has one. Obviously one does come separately, just obviously not quite in the details that it comes with 2 battery packs. It just means you can exchange the battery packs. Overall, you know, very good strong vacuum cleaner. Dyson are renowned of. Obviously it's not that cheap.
And it's impressive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so there you have it. We've unboxed the Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner, only to show you what they've got inside and how strong the suction is, isn't it?
Yes.
And yeah, if you buy this one, you have to make sure, if you're after an extra battery, then make sure that it comes in the box, but I think you have to buy it separately. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching our little video about Dyson V11 Animal. And Dyson's always known for its qualities in it. Strong power, suction. Yes, and thank you for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Being Mommy and More. And thank you again for watching. Bye!